beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a super natural remedy to eradicate, get rid of, remove stretch marks. Okay, all right guys, so the thing is that stretch mark is one thing that does not really go very fast on the skin, but in a couple of months, at most 3 months, these things are just going to go off. Okay, if your stretch mark has actually advanced and it has been there for so long, it's not just going to go off like in a twinkle of an eye. You're just going to keep applying this, at most 3 months, these things are just going to go off and you are going to be happy with your results. Alright guys, so if you want to know what comprises of my stretch mark remedy, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Follow me on Instagram guys. Now let's jump right into this video. Alright, the first one I'm going to be showing you would be 100% gel aloe vera. Okay, this is actually the processed one. You can also use the fresh aloe vera though. This can be very staining. Look at that, it can stain for Africa. Alright, aloe vera is great for the skin because it acts as a barrier to the skin and the sun rays. It helps to treat acne, it treats sunburns, it's also great for pigmentations and dark spots. And it's going to be very helpful for stretch marks because it increases the skin elasticity, therefore removing stretch mark rapidly. And for the first one, we're just going to be taking some of the aloe vera gel in it, and I'm going to be taking about 1 tablespoon of this. So I'm just going to be doing it this way. And yeah, that is 1 tablespoon, not too much, but it's gonna be perfect. Okay, because we're gonna be putting in some other important oil. And the next one we're gonna be needing will be shea butter. Okay, this is an organic 100% pure shea butter. Shea butter helps to create moisture on the skin. It leaves your skin looking glowing. It replaces a bad oil, therefore giving you a shining skin, because it also helps to remove stretch marks, it removes wrinkles, fine lines, and also it also repair your damaged skin. Alright, and I'm gonna be scooping in the shea butter. Okay, for the shea butter, I'll be taking in ½ tablespoon of that, and this is just gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna be putting that into the bowl. Alright, and the next ingredient we're gonna be needing will be castor oil. Alright, this is a very thick oil that contains vitamin E and a lactic acid, which helps in replenishing the skin. It also helps to serve as a barrier to the skin, and it also controls the skin thinness. It would remove stretch marks, pigmentation, inflammations, and wrinkles. Alright, so castor oil, and I'm gonna be putting in the castor oil also, and 1 teaspoon of castor oil will be fine. What we're going to be needing will be vitamin E oil, vitamin E capsule. You can also use the oil. Vitamin E capsule helps to regain the skin elasticity. Alright, because when the skin elasticity is gone, the skin begins to look old, it begins to appear, stretch marks and wrinkles begins to appear. So using vitamin E would help the skin come back to life. Alright, so we're gonna be needing that a whole lot. And wait, and also 1 capsule of vitamin E will be okay. So I'm gonna be cutting that and pressing the. I love vitamin E because it helps my skin so much. To be needing will be coconut oil. Coconut oil is vast, it's great for the skin, it's great for the body as well as the hair. It helps to replenish the skin. It also helps to treat pigmentation and wrinkles. It is also great for blemishes. So using coconut oil on the skin would remove stretch marks, wrinkles and inflammations. And now we're just going to be needing the coconut oil, and for this I'm going to be taking half tablespoon of the coconut oil. I did this coconut oil myself, okay? And all of those 5 oil are just going to save your skin from stretch marks, okay? So the next thing, we're just going to mix all of this 5 oil together, okay, to make up one almighty stretch mark oil. Okay, all right, so you have to, I'm gonna be beating it. I'm going to be beating it this way. Alright, so you have to actually just take your time to mix this thing together, okay, so you can actually get a very good result. Okay, you just don't rush into it, you have to get a very good result. So this is a stretch mark cream, okay, and this is how it's looking like. Alright, and it's gonna be very friendly. So what you do is that if you have stretch marks around, you just apply this cream. Like, this cream is actually very thick. Like, trust me, when you use this cream consistently, your stretch mark is just gonna go off. And also you have to discontinue any cream that you think is, you know, bringing up the stretch mark on your skin, because sometimes cream that we use also gives us stretch marks, okay? So you have to rub. For me, I just love to rub very well on my skin. So you rub it everywhere, like everywhere, like this, okay? Alright, so I have a little jar here. Now let me pour this in, and so I can, you know, give it out to someone, because I don't have stretch mark on my skin. I obviously take care of my skin so well, like so well. I rub enough of oil that contains a lot of vitamin E that would get rid of any stretch mark or whatsoever. Okay, so I'm just gonna be giving someone this as a gift. So you apply this morning and night, okay, for the space of 3 months or 2 months. It depends on how your skin responds, and you're good to go. So basically guys, that is it. That is just a very simple and easy way to remove stretch marks, but you have to give it time to work, okay? You have to be consistent. Apply it every day. Use it as your daily cream at that particular part or point or place or body or skin where you have your stretch marks, okay? It's just going to go off in a couple of months. So that's it guys. If you did love this video, Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. I'll see you soon in my next video, and follow me on Instagram. Bye guys, and stay flawless. Mwah.